Today we're making veggie meatloaf. Here I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of Italian breadcrumbs, 1.5 teaspoon of soya sauce. I have some fine thyme, celery, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 pimento pepper, some cilantro, cherry pepper, pimento pepper, cilantro, cherry pepper, half an onion, 2 pieces of green onion. I'm going to put all in the blender and chop it. Now we're going to add all the chopped seasoning. 2 eggs beaten, I'm going to add it. I have 3/4 cups of ketchup. I'm going to use half cup of ketchup. Add 2 teaspoons of butter. Okay, now I'm adding the extra 1/4 cup of ketchup. I have the oven preheating on 350, and I'm going to put it now in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So it has been cooking for 30 minutes, so it's finished. We have to leave it cool for 10 minutes.